Have you ever spun around so many times that the whole world started wobbling? Your legs stopped working, your brain gave up, and suddenly the ground attacked you. Sounds like something kids invented. But someone had to do it first. Imagine prehistoric humans. No phones, no TV, no internet, just fire, rocks, and unlimited free time. One day, one curious genius probably wondered, what happens if I keep turning? So he spun once, twice, 10 times. His tribe watched in complete silence. Then, he collapsed face first into the dirt. Everyone thought he'd been cursed, or poisoned, or attacked by invisible spirits. But when he stood up laughing instead of dying, something changed. Soon everyone wanted to try it. Children spun until they fell over. Adults secretly did it too. Thousands of years later, people were still doing the exact same thing. Today we call it getting dizzy, but your brain calls it something else. Deep inside your ears are tiny, fluid-filled canals that control your balance. Spin too much, and the liquid keeps moving even after you stop. Your brain thinks you're still turning, while your eyes insist you're standing still. The result? Instant chaos. That's why the world starts spinning even when you're perfectly still. The funniest part? This bizarre habit survived every civilization. Ancient kids did it. Medieval kids did it. Modern kids do it. And if nobody's watching, adults still do it too. So no, we'll probably never know the first person who spun until they got dizzy. But whoever they were, they accidentally discovered one of humanity's oldest forms of free entertainment. And thousands of years later, we're still falling for it.